Hello all, this is Mike again. Uh, Back for another little test. We've been doing a lot of updates on the system. Oh yeah, first of all, I'd like to shout out to Linux Hub. He did a little test of the program on YouTube there. Unfortunately, he used a older version of it that still had a lot of issues. But I'd still like to shout out to him for taking the time to just check it out and see what he thought about it. Hopefully, he'll download a newer version and redo the test. But yeah, we appreciate anyone that wants to test the system and check it out and see how everything's working. So anyway, we've done a lot of fixes. For example, the web browsing, you can now do um, all kinds of web browsing on it, all by voice, so you don't need to use a keyboard or mouse. And like you know from the get-go, this is a AI-oriented system, so it is not controlled by AI, but the AI will help you out for whatever you need to do on it. So when you do the first install, it will go out and download the newest LLMs because the LLMs usually change to newer versions and stuff like that. Sorry. So we like to keep up with that. I think what we're going to do going forward, though, is we're going to install it with a proprietary LLM just to have it on the system, and then it can go out and check if there's any updates that are needed on that LLM or not. Okay, so just to do some minor tests. Oh, and also, as you know, I'm not going to say his name because he's going to respond, but you can change the name you call your computer whenever you want to whatever you want. So you don't have to go with the one that it ships with. That's just a ploy thing because he is from a movie, so it's pretty cool. Everyone knows him. Anyway, let's see what we can do. Jarvis, Google risk processors.
Searching the web for Google risk processors.
Click.
There are 60 things you can click. The numbers are on screen. Say select and a number, or hide the numbers.
Scroll down.
Scroll down.
Select 26.
Selected https://cloud.google.com.
Scroll down.
Scroll down.
Scroll down to bottom.
Scroll to the bottom.
Click.
There are 60 things you can click. The numbers are on screen. Say select and a number, or hide the numbers.
Close Firefox.
Closed Firefox.
Jarvis, open up a terminal.
Opening terminal.
List files.
Ran ls.
Open downloads.
Ran cd tilde/downloads.
List files.
Ran ls.
Run command touch Tommy.
Ran touch Tommy.
List files.
Ran ls.
Exit terminal.
Close terminal.
Okay, so that's pretty much a couple of things. I hope he doesn't answer right now because I think he's still in voice mode. But that's just a couple of things that we've added to it. We've added a whole bunch of other things. Yeah, I think he's going to try to.
I'm here and ready to help whenever you need me. Let me know how I can assist.
Jarvis, help.
You're on the desktop. You can say 1. Open Firefox/open a terminal to launch a program. 2. Open a blank document to start writing. 3. Search for something to search the web. 4. What's in my downloads folder to look at your files. Say the number to run it. For example, do number 1. The help window has the rest. What would you like to do?
Yep, so there we go. We added the help. It can open up in any program. So if you're in a different program and you need help with commands and stuff like that, you can just ask him to open up the help. And it'll be different from program to program, whatever it displays. Still pretty slow on this system because, like I said, it's an old system, 16 megabytes of memory and a 3060 card is what I'm running, 12 gigabytes. Other than that, it's running pretty okay now, pretty stable. Sorry about that. That was my little baby fur bubby. There's still everyday changes that we do. Normally, we'll update the changes because it will update every day. Check the server and see if there's any vital updates that needs to be done, and it'll pull it down. But other ways, we usually do major updates like version 1.0, 1.1, 1.2. The small ones in between, like I said, it usually pulls it by itself. We appreciate all the feedback you guys can give us. Please check out the community hub from our website. It's a matrix server. We don't use Discord. Discord is just too much of a hassle. It's too open. Anyone can pretty much hack Discord in 5 seconds, so we don't like that. We don't want people's user data to be out there. That's why we don't use it. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us at contact@yggdrasilai.org. And yeah, enjoy it. It's free. But like I said, we're still developing it. And we're a very, very small team. So if there's anyone else that's interested in helping, then yeah, please contact me. Anyway, you guys take care. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk later.